doing the slime wax trend for the second time. I don't know if I have the right wax to do it, but as you can see, I did not do a wonderful job with the wax pouring. This is my second. I put 2 layers. This is how it sounds. Just falls out. I don't know what to do. See, it's falling out, and I don't want to vacuum this room again. I thought maybe like breaking it and getting it all out, but that's gonna take too long. So, guys, okay. I'll play with this for a little bit longer, and then I'll do another wax cracking thing maybe later, or maybe another time. Putting the big wax pieces back inside the wax warmer, so I don't waste it. And so I can play with the slime without hurting my hands. Woo! I know I'm late to the party with the wax slime. I know I'm late to the party with the cracking slime wax thing, but don't blame me. It's like the first time I had the idea and was ready to do the idea. Confidence I won't get it everywhere. First time I did this, I got it everywhere. Woo. So many wax pieces going everywhere. Get off! I'll probably do another video with taking the wax out of here because it's so satisfying. Whoa. I'm hoping. If you like this video, if you like to support our channel,